Hi, it's Alex here, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can get approved for any credit card even if you have a low credit score. It's not that hard, but it requires a bit of work and motivation. It may surprise you to learn that one of the benefits of getting a new credit card is the fact that you could actually improve your credit score. With the right credit card, you'll be able to build credit habits as well as credit worthiness. Additionally, if you already have debt, adding a new credit card can help you improve your credit utilization ratio and credit score. There are a few credit card options available for those with bad credit, and cards in this niche are often limited in benefits. In addition to the fees and the high interest rates, credit cards for bad credit can make carrying a balance a costly endeavor. However, if you plan and think it through, you can drastically improve your chances of being approved. There are no shortcuts when it comes to establishing credit. The process of building credit requires time and good financial behavior. However, if you are seeking a credit card for the first time or just improving your chances of approval, it doesn't mean you're out of luck. Among the options you can consider are obtaining a secure credit card, signing up as an authorized user, opening a joint account, or getting a cosigner. Many companies have developed new methods of determining credit worthiness that consider information other than what is requested in a credit report. In other words, managing your rent, phone bill, and bank account can help you build credit. Before applying for a credit card, you need to ask yourself this critical question: will I be approved? Now, this question is essential for two reasons. Knowing your chances of approval for a credit card can save you time. By narrowing your search to the credit cards for which you can qualify, you can avoid those you do not. You can reduce your credit score's impact by limiting your credit card application. The fewer credit inquiries you make, the better, so you want to apply for fewer cards. So before you apply, you need to take into account some essential things. Number one, you need to know your credit score. You probably already know if you have a bad credit. When you have a bad credit score, you are likely being rejected for a credit card or other loan in the past. It's also likely that you know why you have poor credit to begin with, whether it's due to failing behind on a loan or a credit card, having an account going into collection, or being bankrupt. No matter how your credit score looks like, it never hurts to know exactly where you stand. To check your credit score for free, you have quite a few options. Getting an estimate of your FICO score is invaluable before applying for a credit card. Credit Karma or Credit Sesame can estimate their credit score for free for those who don't have a credit card. However, the free scores you get on such sites are just estimates, but you can get some ideas about your score. Some credit cards also offer a free look at their FICO score on monthly statement. Those with credit cards already can find out about this benefit by checking their cards. It's one thing to know your credit score, but you also must understand what your score means and whether or not it qualifies you for a credit card. A credit score of 760 or higher is considered excellent, while a score between 701 and 759 is deemed to be good. On the other hand, a score of between 651 to 700 is considered fair credit, and under 650 is regarded as poor credit. Your credit score will give you a better idea of your chances of approval, although there are other variables as well. Those with low scores should make some changes by paying down balances and making timely payments to move that number in the right direction before applying for a credit card. Number two, check your actual credit report for free. It's also helpful to obtain a copy of your actual credit report along with your credit score. All three major credit reporting agencies, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, provide free copies of your credit report every year. To get your free credit report, just visit annualcreditreport.com. The website allows you to enter all your information, and you'll be able to see all of the information associated with your report instantly. If everything there is accurate, there is no reason for concern. You should, however, fix any mistakes you find immediately. Number three, make all of your monthly payments on time. Building good credit requires staying current on all the money you owe, whether car loans, rent, or credit cards. When companies consider your credit card application, they look at your repayment history. Even though you should avoid late credit card payments, that's not the only good credit habit you should develop early. The largest factor that plays into your credit score is paying your bills in the past. 35% of your credit score is based on your payment history. It's best and easiest to improve your credit before applying for a rewards credit card or simply to maintain it for many years to come by paying all of your bills on time. If you fail to make your payments or pay your bills on time, it can quickly affect your credit score. Whenever possible, stay on top of your bills and avoid late payments. Number 4. Search for the right credit card offer. Even though it may seem like you are eager to apply for a credit card, you must take the time to compare offers and make sure the card you apply for offers the benefits you need. Consider using a balance transfer card that offers zero interest for a limited time, and if you wish to consolidate your debt, this could be a great offer. Many credit cards offer rewards such as cashback or airline miles. If you prefer rewards, there are dozens of great rewards credit cards to consider. Furthermore, some cards offer sign-up bonuses if you spend a certain amount in the first few months. Now, as soon as you find a credit card that appeals to your spending habits, filling out an online application is as simple as entering your personal and income information. The majority of credit card issuers will respond immediately. It's important to remember that the best credit cards and offers usually go to people with good credit or excellent credit. To begin building your credit, you might need a different type of credit card. If you don't have enough credit score to qualify for a traditional credit card, you might consider a secure credit card. With secure credit cards, you can put down a cash deposit instead of applying for a line of credit like with unsecured cards. Secure credit cards are often the only way to raise the credit scores for those with bad credit or no credit at all. You can typically upgrade your secure credit card to an unsecured one and recover your deposit once you begin using your card responsibly and paying it off every month. A high rewards credit card could be within your reach after a stretch using a secured card if your credit score improves dramatically. Your score improvement will depend on your situation, your goals, and also how much you improve. Finally, number 5, use credit wisely and never give up. If you don't qualify for a credit card right now, the best thing you can do is to give yourself some time. Your credit score will increase as long as you make your utilities, card payments, and student loan payments on time every time. Furthermore, if you have unpaid bills, a lot of debts, or other negative marks on your credit report, you want to focus on repairing those damages before taking on more credit anyway. Stay on top of all your bills, avoid new debts, pay off old ones, and keep an eye of small changes in your credit report. So if you treat your score as you should, it will rise over time. Building credit is not easy. Now, it requires patience and responsible financial choices. However, that doesn't mean you can't establish credit or improve your credit rating. So, a refusal of a credit card hurts both emotionally and it has an effect on your credit score. Getting approved for a credit card can be a process. To be approved for a credit card, you must meet the bank's credit criteria, and to get approved for this credit card, you must supply them with enough information to say yes. So it's essential to review your credit situation before choosing the next card. Credit card companies look for risk in your spending habits, so you want to avoid having too much of a balance on your accounts when you apply. To get approved for a credit card, you must demonstrate that you are financially responsible enough to handle the card's credit line. That is why knowing how to get approved for any credit card is so important. It's essential to understand what is necessary to get approved for credit cards and how to get approved for any credit card so that you choose the best card possible. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to let me know in the comments if you got any value from this video. It's 2021, subscribe if you like, hit the notification bell if you aren't already, and I will see you soon.